हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाजिर हूँ अगला वीडियो लेकर के। जिस टॉपिक पर मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ आपसे, ये टॉपिक एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जो कि बड़ा ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, स्पेशली स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, चिल्ड्रंस के लिए, किड्स के लिए। ये टॉपिक है काउंसलिंग। नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ द पेरेंट्स इन टुडेज लाइफ do not even understand the meaning of word counseling. You must have seen when you visit any of the institute, you visit any of the coaching classes, you find a person sitting on the front desk and they call themselves as counselor. Well, counseling or giving information are two different things. Giving information about a product, a service, or a course or a program is called front desk work, or rendering a service of providing information. That is it. That person basically can be called as a public relation officer who is ultimately giving the information to the public who is visiting the office. But a counselor is one who understands psychology, who carries the degree of psychology. And on the basis of that, a person is ultimately counseling or helping a person in different variation, in different dimensions, wherever it is required for that person. May it be career planning, may it be marital planning, may it be certain issues related to the brain, such as migraine, depression, anxiety, insomnia, and so many more. Now, when it comes to such kind of problems, or even for identifying the career path to be chosen by a student, a counselor, a psychologist is required. Now, with us, we have psychologists, being myself, and yes, the programs, the courses, and the certified psychometric tests which we have with us, which can help a student in guiding their future. The test's name is DMIT. It is now very much renowned in our country. Earlier in 2012, it was firstly launched in our country. It came across many of the countries, got certified by many other different organizations. But here, when it came down to India, DMIT became quite popular because it was a very good tool which is providing the accuracy of 97%. Yes, my dear friends, we can counsel a person, a student, or any other person also with the help of this DMIT test to the accuracy of 97%. Now, DMIT stands for Dermatographics Multiple Intelligence Testing. DMIT. Dermatographics, what is it? Dermatographics is the science of studying the patterns of fingerprints. Now, over this particular pattern of dermatographics, you will get n number of books duly published by international psychologists, and they are all available on Google. So if you understand more and more, and if you want to get more information about this topic, I would like you to suggest to go through those particular books available, and you will get huge amount of information. But briefing the entire information in a small video with the help of this DMIT would be that when a child is in the womb of mother, right from the 13th month to 21st month, the brain of the child develops. And at the same time, the fingerprints does also develop. And they have relation with each other. And henceforth, as you know that our brain has two sides, left and right. Further, it has five sides: prefrontal lobe, frontal, parietal, occipital, and temporal. These are the lobes, or also called as cortex. So these cortex are being related with the fingerprints of a person. And with just analyzing the fingerprints of yours, we can understand the population of neurons situated in the parts of the brain. Now, isn't that mesmerizing? Yes, it is, right? So, why don't a student, and what do you feel? I think this is the need of the nation. This is the need for the youth. This is the need for this generation. Because ultimately, we do not want our kids to rely or to lie under 80% of the population which is struggling throughout their life. I have shared about 80-20 principle in my last video. If you want to see, the link will be given below, and you can understand the principle of 80-20 as well. So ultimately, we being all parents need our kids to get the best, need our kids to ultimately to be placed where they actually suit. If you talk about those 3% of the population of this planet, may it be, say, what, Sachin Tendulkar, may it be MS Dhoni, may it be Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Dhirubhai Ambani, you talk about any of the people. If you understand their psychology, if you understand their life, if you read them, you will come to know that at the very early age, they came to know about their ultimate passion, ultimate goal of their life. And when they started working over it, they succeeded. And yes, they were lucky enough to know that what is their goal ultimately and what is their passion at the very early age. And this have helped them. So basically, it doesn't happen with everyone, right? Even if I talk about yourself being the parents who are listening to me right now, if you analyze your own life, if you analyze your own lifespan or your schooling time, you would be wondering that you had many goals in your life. At your child age, the goals were different. But what are you now is totally different from what you have planned earlier. Why does this thing happen? Because there was no proper guidance, no proper counseling was there. And these days, when such counselors are available across the country, they are providing their services. But unfortunately, parents are not understanding them. Henceforth, I am telling you that this is not just the need for a single child or through 2 or 5 child. This is the need for the entire generation. If we counsel them properly, if we guide them properly, right from class 5, we can align them towards their goal. And it will be really easy. Tell me if Sachin Tendulkar would have become an IITian, or MS Dhoni would have passed out from IIMs, or maybe from any big university, maybe Oxford, maybe Princeton, or any other university. Would they have succeeded to such extent the way they have succeeded already in their life? No, right? Henceforth, I'm telling you folks, counseling is very much required. With the help of this test, and apart from DMIT, certain psychometric tests, we are able to understand the multiple intelligences which you carry. This theory was propounded by Professor Howard Gardner, a professor with Harvard University, in 1983, and this theory got Nobel Prize. So you can understand the gravity of this particular course. This does not only offer you with one vertical of 8 MI, but it provides you information with 13 different verticals. You tell me, from 13 different dimensions, a kid is going to be analyzed, his brain is going to be analyzed, and over there the counseling is going to happen. That is why the accuracy is 97%. And that is why I feel that this is a must course, a must program, a must test for each and every student today, so that he can understand his potential, true potential, and work over it. We can be so specific that a person having good gross motor skills, gross motor means full body movement, right? The person can play football, person can play cricket, he can be an athlete. But again, it becomes a confusion. Where to go? He's good with outdoor activities, but he doesn't know. So what do? Hit and try. We try athletics, we try long jump, we try high jump, and so on. In this manner, this hit and trial method has been used from years when there was no such services available. Henceforth, I would suggest you, every student and every parent, to understand this need. Right now, the students who are going to be in their class 11th after class 10th, the most difficult question for them is to select a subject. But we normally take up the subject still by the same old methodology, the orthodox methodology, that people taking PCM mathematics are the prime students, taking biology on the other side, and commerce and arts with the left out students. But this is not so. You have to understand your potential, and according to that, you shall choose the subjects, right? And how to select a good subject, how to know your interest and your qualities and characteristics, and match them with the subjects to be chosen after class 10. For that, counseling, psychometric test, and such biometric test such as DMIT is most importantly required. Henceforth, I suggest you friends, from wherever you can get these services, you must go and opt out for it. And if you want us, being Shubh Sarthi Foundation, to help you up with this particular counseling services, we are there online available with the programs. The details will be given in the description below, so that you can go through it and you can come across. We'll also be sharing our contact number so that you can come across, and we'll help you. We are ready to help you with all the services of counseling. Take care. God bless.